Imagine glowing skin in just one drop. Today I'm showing you how to make the magic oil that changed my skin forever. People tell you not to use oil on your face if you have a sensitive skin. I tell you today that is a lie. Doing that will worsen the situation. Why? Because I've been there before. My skin used to be dull with acne and dark spot, and no matter the creams I used, nothing worked. I was frustrated until I made the single decision to go natural and created this oil. And honestly, that single decision transformed my skin and confidence. Welcome to Etta TV. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. We're making 200-gram worth of face and body oil, and I start by putting some shea butter in a beaker. Shea butter deeply moisturizes the skin, fights signs of aging, boosts collagen, and promotes skin healing. After that, I went over to the double boiler and melted the shea butter. It is time to put in the next ingredient, which is some palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil improves elasticity, improves skin tone, replenish skin, protect against UV damage. Now I will mix that thoroughly in, and then I'll go ahead and introduce in some olive squalene. Olive squalene helps to repair the skin natural barrier, improve skin texture and tone, and enhance suppleness, and also reduce redness. I'll mix that thoroughly and I'll go in with the next ingredient, which is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil reduces fine lines and wrinkles, treats acne by regulating sebum production, and moisturizes the skin. Now, I'm going to mix that very well until it is well incorporated, and I'll go in with some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is excellent for treating acne because of its antimicrobial properties. It is high in linoleic acid, which is good in treating rosacea and eczema. I mix that thoroughly, and then I put in some sweet almond oil, which has antioxidant properties that protect against environmental damage. It reduces scars, aid in acne-prone skin, improve complexion, and fight sun damage. Now I'm putting some castor oil, which treats scars and stretch marks, and treats acne, moisturize, and hydrate raw skin. I'll mix that thoroughly before I introduce in rosehip oil, which increase hydration, even skin tone, improve collagen production, which increase skin elasticity and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Mix that thoroughly, and I'll introduce in the next ingredient, which is evening prime rose. Now that's the evening prime rose going in. This has anti-inflammatory properties that suits irritated skin and reduce redness associated with conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea. And I'll introduce in the next ingredient, which is apricot kernel oil. This promotes youthful skin. It has higher level of vitamin A and E, which fight free radicals and environmental damage, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then I'll mix that thoroughly for every ingredient to incorporate well. After that, I will introduce in the next ingredient. Alpha bisabolol. This promotes wound healing. Its antibacterial properties reduce acne, reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen synthesis. Please, when you're using this, you have to use it with a carrier oil. Don't just put this directly on your face. Don't say I didn't warn you. Thank you. I still have some ingredients to add, but I want to teach you a secret no one will teach you. This is top secret. I'm going to put the oil on my hand now and test it. Now, when I rub on it, you'll see that glossiness. The oil on its own is not bad. If you like this oil, it's a gem, but you can see that glossiness. A lot of people don't want that. They just want to use oil and feel that emollient nature of oil without having that greasiness. Now, this is where this ingredient I'm putting in comes in. Isopropyl myristate. This provides a non-greasy, silky feel to the oil and prevent water loss. Now I put in one of the best ingredients, frankincense resins oil. Now please, you don't use this without a carrier oil. This will reduce wrinkles and age spots like so fast. This also promotes collagen production for firmness and fight acne. Now, it fights acne causing bacteria. Now I put in some carrot seed oil. Also, you don't use this without the carrier oil. This protects against environmental damage and premature aging, improve skin elasticity and tone. That was vitamin E oil that I just put in. If there's one oil I will tell you to use for wrinkles and fine lines, I'll tell you go for vitamin E oil. This also reduce scars, suit irritated skin, reduce hyperpigmentation, and protect against UVA and UVB rays. Now I put in some tocopherol. Now tocopherol is a more potent form of vitamin E. Yes, so what the vitamin E oil does, tocopherol do it in a more like 1,000 times ways. Yes, so that's what it is. So now I'm trying to test it for you to see after putting in the isopropyl myristate for you to see. Look at it. I didn't even rub as much as I rub on the other one. Now the skin is silky and supple but without greasiness. That is the secret. Yes, you're welcome. So you can just put this in your dropper bottle or pump bottle. It all depends on the kind of bottle you're comfortable with, but I prefer dropper bottles for my oils. You can use this in the morning, you can use it at night, but personally I love to use oil at night after my skincare routine. I just use it to like seal everything before I go to bed. Now also you can use this for your face massage, your body massage. In fact, the next video I will be posting, I'll show you how I use this oil for my lymphatic drainage. That's my gua sha. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next one.